Hello friends, welcome to Technical Trends. So, why Pixel phone didn't reach expectation? So, in this video, I will explain you about this topic. So, before jumping into the video, if you didn't subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel Technical Trends and click on the bell icon you find there to get notified about my latest videos. So, why Pixel phone didn't reach expectations, especially in India? So, as we all know, this Pixel phone was released by Google. Google, this is the most heard word by everyone. This is one of the top company in the world. It rules the software world. We find many Google products around us. Like for example, if we take any mobile, the operating system used in mobile is Android. So this Android OS is released by or produced or created by Google. Similarly, we find different apps in mobiles like Google Maps, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google browser. It's nothing but Chrome. As such, there are many apps also provided by Google. So as such, Google is one of the most famous, most popular and most creative company in the world. So almost whatever product they release, it clicks in the market. But what happened to this Pixel? So let us check it out. Generally, as we all know, Google is a software company. It generally focus only on the software. So what this actually does is, it creates a software and it distributes this software to the hardware companies. I mean, hardware companies buy this software from them and they make some slight changes to the software they buy or they purchased, and they add it to their hardware and release in the market. For example, if we consider mobile phones, there are many mobile phones like Samsung, MI, Asus and many such. So all these mobile companies purchase the Android OS from Google, and they make some slight changes to that Android OS and they add that OS to their hardware, that is mobiles, and they release it in the market. So this is how generally Google works. But what happened is, Google also want to test their own operating systems or own softwares on their own hardware, but they don't have any hardware support in their environment. All the employees or all the environment there only works on the software. What they did is, they tied up with some hardware companies and they built a new mobile of their own. That mobile is nothing but Nexus. So they tied up with some hardware companies and came out with a Nexus mobile. So in this Nexus mobile, the software is their own and the hardware is also their supported own. So they released this Nexus phone in the market. So this Nexus phone was clicked very good at that time in the market. The features of this Nexus phone mainly supports the developers. The one who wanted to create apps and test their apps, how are they working and such. So for them, this Nexus was really a good choice. So many developers had choice towards this and buy a Nexus phone. So large amount of Nexus phones were purchased at that time. But what happened when coming to the normal people is, the features in this phone are not so much liked by the normal people. Why? Because all the features, all the specifications are adaptable to anyone, but their main target is only for developers. So they made these phones just for developers. So that's why normal people this was not clicked, but in the case of developers this was clicked a lot. So many developers buy this phone because of this price is also affordable and all the good features, all the relevant features for developers are there. So developers showed good interest. So but what happened is, this Nexus was developed by clubbing with other hardware companies. So they stopped this Nexus and they on their own built a new mobile with their own support. This is nothing but Pixel. So they came up with their own hardware and own software, that is Pixel. So this Pixel is really a very good phone. It has good camera quality, it has good features, good specifications, everything are good. This Pixel phone, the cost is very high. It's equal to the Apple phone. So this competes with the Apple. And what happened is, the outlook of this phone is not so great. Generally it only has one camera. For example, if I take any other phone, will have dual camera, quad camera as such, but this phone has only single camera. So what happened is, normal people, normal users, generally they just see at the outlook. Many of them just see at the outlook. They just try to find it so style or so fashionable, or if they find as such, they try to buy it. But this phone is not so fashionable, but the software inside this phone is really marvelous. They do many things what other phones cannot do, because the software in this is built by Google. as we all know, Google is one of the top software company. So they kept this mobile, the software in this mobile is so good that it can do all the works without the hardware itself. For example, generally dual cameras are used in different mobiles, and they try to add some filters to that mobile using these cameras. But these mobiles, Pixel mobiles, they add the filters using the software itself with just one camera. So as such, what all the works will be done by other mobiles using hardware, the same work is being done in this Pixel using software itself. If the developers or the one who is good at education and good at mobiles or understanding this software, everything else, they definitely choose this Pixel. But among the people, only few focus on the software, many focus on the hardware, especially in India also. So that's why this Pixel mobile was not so clicked. And one more thing which made this lag in the market is its price. Generally people look at the outlook and only one camera and no good stylish look or fashionable look. What is the price? But it's equal to the iPhone. So at the same cost we get an iPhone with this Pixel phone cost. So many opted iPhone instead of this Pixel phone. But the one who are developers or software or related to that field, they opted this Pixel phone itself. But in the market overall, more iPhone phones are sold when compared to Pixel phone. So one more thing you need to note here is that Nexus, as I already said, Nexus was the first mobile released by Google by tying up with other hardware companies. So this Google stopped, terminated that manufacturing of Nexus, and then started building up their own mobiles, that is Pixel. So what happened is OnePlus came into that Nexus position. It gave all the developer features at the same, some affordable cost, which is almost similar to the Nexus. So in market, even this OnePlus mobile is also clicked a lot. When compared to these three mobiles, OnePlus mobile has good growth in the market when compared to Pixels also. So the price is affordable and the features are supportive. Developers also can use this mobile for testing their apps, running their softwares, everything else. So OnePlus took over the position of that, and it had a good growth in the market. So this is how this works. So what do you feel? Just comment in the comment section below. And before just going to another video, just like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.